Hi, my name is Pernille Seier and I work as an information consultant at the Library of the Technical University of Denmark. Once you've signed up for a Mendeley account, you want to start building your collection of references, your own reference library in Mendeley. Every time one of your searches gives you references you may want to use for your paper, you should save them to Mendeley straight away. There are different ways of getting references into your Mendeley account. I'll be showing you how to import PDF files using the Add Files or Add Folder function in Mendeley. Drag and drop PDF files or folders into Mendeley. Use the Mendeley web importer. Import a set of references in a specific file format. Add a reference manually. First, I'll show you how to import PDF files and folders in Mendeley. Under Files in your Mendeley desktop, you can add PDF files by clicking Add Files and then browsing for the file on your computer. You can also add whole folders of PDF files using the Add Folder option in the same way. Furthermore, you can set up your Mendeley desktop to watch a specific folder on your computer under Watch Folder. Any PDF files added to this folder will then automatically be added to your Mendeley account. Mendeley also allows you to drag and drop PDF files into the Open Mendeley desktop window. When adding PDF files to your Mendeley account by dragging and dropping them, Mendeley deducts all the metadata, the bibliographic data from the PDF file, and creates a reference based on this, as well as adding the full text PDF file to the reference, as was the case when using the Add Files or the Add Folders function. No matter which method you have used to add references to your Mendeley library, you must check the new references to make sure that the metadata is correct. The quality of your citations and your bibliographies once you start using Mendeley for writing and citing will only be as good as that of the metadata in your references. The Mendeley web importer allows you to import articles, web pages and other document types into your library from search engines and academic databases. On the Mendeley website, you choose the Install the Web Importer link. It's important that you've enabled the Bookmarks toolbar option on your computer. From the Mendeley website, you then drag the Web Importer button to your Bookmarks toolbar. Once you've found a relevant article on a website, you just click the Save to Mendeley bookmark. The details of the article or articles will then be displayed on the right-hand side of the page in a separate pop-up box. Once you've checked the details, you click the Save button. And next time you click Sync on your Mendeley desktop, the newly saved references will appear in the Recently Added section. The Mendeley bookmark also comes in handy when you want to import an entire website. You just go to the website and click on the Save to Mendeley button. As always, check your metadata to make sure that the reference has been imported in the right way. You may wish to move a whole collection of references from another reference management tool into your Mendeley account when you first start using Mendeley. Mendeley can import BibTeX, RIS and EndNote XML files, thus making it possible to easily transfer your library from another reference management tool like EndNote, Papers and Zotero. Importing a whole set of references in a specific file format can also be useful when you want to import more than one or two references at a time from a database like, for instance, Web of Science, or any other site that allows you to export references in a relevant file format. Web of Science offers you different file formats for exporting references. You can then choose to export your chosen references as a file, save the file on your computer, and then go to your Mendeley desktop and import the file into your Mendeley library. There's also the option of adding a reference manually. You can do this by clicking Add Entry Manually under Files in your Mendeley desktop. This opens a box called New Document, where you can fill in all the relevant information about the reference and add the full text file if you have it. As well as giving you the option of adding a reference manually, the New Document box also makes it possible to search for the reference by different catalog identifiers. As you can see, there are a number of different ways of getting your references into your Mendeley account. Once you've started importing references, you'll want to start organizing your reference library in order to manage your collection of references. We'll show you how to do this in another Mendeley lesson.